Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can share your board on Trello, for example, with your contacts, friends, or coworkers really quickly and without any prior expertise in working with tools like Trello. It is actually super simple, guys. So let me guide you through this step by step. Head over to Trello, log into your account. And what you want to do, guys, here is select the workspace in the top left corner as the first step. So let me go with that workspace here. Select the board you would like to share, like this one here, for instance. And after that, you will see here inside your board overview that button in the very top right corner, share. So obviously click on it. And after that, you will see that window here. So there are basically two different ways how you can share your board. The first option would be to enter the recipient's email address here and to send an invitation via email to that contact so that he or she may either decline or accept the invitation to access the board and to work on it or to edit it, depending of course on the role you're assigned to the invited person, like for example member or observer. However, adding observer roles is limited or restricted. I mean, you can only use that option or feature if you have a paid subscription plan here on Trello. So you can leave it at member for now. And the other option would be to simply create a shareable link here and to copy it to your clipboard and to simply share it with your contacts, friends, and coworkers via direct messaging services, emails, or social media posts to invite them to your Trello board. That way you may also change the permissions, for example, here. And again, guys, to invite someone as an observer, you will need to have access to a premium account here on Trello. So that's basically it, guys. You can, for example, also delete the link. And yeah, that's it, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.